All right. So I would like to welcome you on behalf of Renewable Energy India.
Thank you,
And
sir.
it's my great honor indeed, Omyo, to see you over this platform. And I have been hearing a lot about you. You are doing a great job. Some of your initiatives, like your YouTube channel, particularly, and over there, the kind of solar training you are providing, that's really fantastic. And as a recruiter, as a renewable energy recruiter, I believe that, as we all know, till 2030, Indian government is targeting to achieve about 500 gigawatt of renewable energy target, which is a massive movement.
Yeah.
And this is where special talent, special skills, and in solar, as we know, we have project execution, we have operation maintenance, we have sales, and most importantly, designing of solar PV plant.
Yes.
And that is where electrical and civil engineers, they are in huge demand.
Yeah.
And for electrical, the kind of softwares which are required, like PVSys, SketchUp, Helioscope, which I have been seeing as a recruiter, and which I could see through your channel all about solar. You have already trained many number of students.
Yes,
and
sir.
that is where I thought of introducing you through my channel, Renewable Energy India,
Okay.
to the aspiring students, particularly freshers. And I believe your technical input would be useful for them. And if some kind of a technical guidance given to learn these softwares, it will be a value addition for their profile. They can perform better. And their chances of getting a job would be much more. So without talking more in details, I would love to explore and understand from you, what do you think? What is the motivation behind starting this YouTube channel all about solar? Over to you.
Yeah, thank you, sir. So first of all, thanks for inviting in this channel, and also I want to connect with some recruiter right now, because I have lots of student base when we started the training. So most of the people are student and they always ask for the job and opportunities. So I also love to connect with you. And when we started this channel, in a motivation, when I started in this industry, I don't know about those software, so I learned it from according to my job, different projects. But I faced lots of challenge that time. There is no such kind of inputs or such kind of training material is available on Google or YouTube, we can't say. So that's why I started this channel, that what I know, I should give training, or what are the things I can deliver to the youngsters who are out there, who are just searching for jobs. So that is one of my motivation. And now what I can see that in solar industry, or we can say in renewable industry, there is a huge scope of job, because the thermal and other industry are that kind of opportunity is not available there. So that opportunity is there in the renewable industry. So if people know about the technicalities of solar plant and the specific skill set, as you said, that a few softwares we should know for the training purposes. So these things is our main focus, to train people, to groom people so that they can easily get a job. And when I talk to any recruiter about my students, I can say that they are trained people. They are not blank about this industry. They have that specific technical knowledge or technical terminologies they know, so they can easily cope up with the situation and cope up with the workflow any organization have.
So the important aspect which I understand from you, that for the freshers particularly, we take electrical and diploma electrical candidates. If they like to grow into renewable energy industry, particularly solar industry, then in design sector, instead of without knowing anything, if they understand how to run this software, why they need to run this software, they can add value from day one. And that is where your training is going to be useful for them, because during the interview they can perform better with confidence.
Yeah, definitely. One thing I want to add here, always when talk about the design, it's if you know the design part, if you know the software and technicalities, then it is feasible for you for any like sector. In solar there are lots of options, like in project execution part is there, O&M is there. But if you know the technical things, like it is starting from the design, if you know the technical things, it is very much feasible for you to work in any sector. Like you can work with the execution, you can work with the O&M and this kind of stuff.
On behalf of students, as I recently interacted with NIT Arunachal Pradesh with MTech renewable energy students.
Okay, sir.
And for some of the engineering colleges in West Bengal as well, and in Gabon.
Okay.
I have one question that these students during COVID, most of the campuses are closed due to the high risk factor. Now, during this time period, when the physical movement is difficult, and you are providing training, and that is 100% online mode plus the study materials. So do you also allow students to do some kind of an internship with you? Will you be their mentor?
Yeah, definitely.
So that some kind of a rooftop project, as for example, if you take 100 kilowatt or 50 kilowatt, and they can do that designing so that you can help them, because as a student, when they first time run the software, probably they need some kind of a improvement to do better work. So do you also take students to do internship with you?
Yeah, sir. Definitely that option is also available. And also that what you have asked, like if anyone is working with any project or any kind of things he is working and he needs support. So for that support is also I am there.
Now in solar, I have seen rooftop solar, floating solar, ground mounted solar, and in irrigation sector, solar pumps. Do you train using examples of solar pumps or standalone or ground mounted or rooftop like that?
Yes, sir. We train all kind of solar system, solar designing, everything. Like we consider any system like which has been already installed or which we are in the design process. That means what are the training we give? This is totally industry based. It's not only for the educational purpose. This is totally industry based. Like we are talking about everything in practical. In general, as a design engineer, how I design a system, how I design a pumping system, how I design an off-grid system. So we will show all the things in practical. So that is all kind of system is covered in this particular training.
What is the duration normally for your training program on PVCs, SketchUp or Helioscope? Normal duration that student would love to know. How many days programs you conduct?
Yeah. So, sir, for PVC software, we have almost 1 month training course. PVC is a long course, and PVC is having a 1 month course, and it's totally designed for like technicalities and everything detailing in PVC. And SketchUp is having total 8 sessions, so it nearby 2 weeks. SketchUp software is having 2 weeks, and AutoCAD is also having 2 weeks, and Helioscope is also having 2 weeks. So other software is having 2 weeks, and only PVC is having a kind of month period. We generally conduct session in evening hours, 7:30 to 9:30 p.m.
All right. So that would be good for the students after completing the classwork. They can do
that. Yeah.
Well, so for all the viewers of this video, I would be giving the registration link of your training program, which Amyu sir will be giving, and there I suggest all the students to register, and the links would be given in the comment section and the detailed description section as well. Now, Amyu, I heard that you run a consultancy company, Vedic Corp Services. So what kind of job you do as a professional, your company? Are you capable of handling the designing of projects across India, or any example if you like to give?
Yeah, sir, basically our organization does, our main focus is right now, as we are connected, like I have a certain team who are working with this design consultancy things. So as I am also an expert in this particular thing, so that's why we are focusing on the design consultancy services. Any kind of consultation, any company who is trying to put up solar, so we are giving that kind of consultancy. Now, right now we are working with DMRC, Delhi Metro Corporation, almost 4 megawatt project we are working on, and also we are also connected with international firms as well.
Okay, fantastic. So, one question out of curiosity, probably on behalf of the students, like, so if the students do training with you, that would be a value addition in terms of knowing the software, plus they would be able to work on the live project. In terms of any kind of live project, and then there is a possibility that they can also join you and help you in terms of doing consultancy. So that could be one more aspect that they can expect from you, right, Amyo?
Yeah, sir, definitely. But and also what I suggest students that if let's say I don't have that kind of requirement, but as I connected, like in this industry, I have a certain connections throughout this overall solar industry. So I would always recommend any kind of requirement and job opportunity which is comes to me. So that is also there. And also I would definitely, if I need someone, then I will definitely recommend my students only.
Great. So I really appreciate the kind of input we have gathered through our discussion, and especially thank you, Amyo, for finding some time to join me. And I recommend all the students to subscribe your channel, All About Solar, in YouTube, and this is going to be very informative. I myself has gone through your channel and I have seen all the informative videos. They are technically very rich and sound, and I believe the students who like to grow into renewable energy sector, solar sector particularly, as a design engineer, if you want to grow, Amyo sir would be of great help, and I really recommend Amyo for this purpose. Thank you, Amyo, for joining us. Any advice for the students from your end before we conclude?
So I would recommend everyone to, like, I have the training which is starting from 20th of November. It is going to be start. So sir already given the link in the description. So you can check it out, the details in the link. You can join the session, and also if you like right now, if you want to join the course, no issue. You can check out the videos, and that's all. And any kind of doubt, any kind of solar related things, if you want to know, you can directly contact me. There is no issue with that. And thank you, sir, because it's my pleasure to connect with you. Because, and also for my viewers, I want to tell everyone that Sobhanlal sir is working in this industry for last 21 years. So he is having a large connection in this network. So I recommend everyone to please watch sir channel, and that is also for the solar job recruitment only. So if you connect with sir, you will get the opportunities and different kind of solar related job updates also. So that's all, and thanks for joining.
Thank you, Amyo, and I hope we'll be working together, and really appreciate your contribution to renewable energy sector. I wish you all the best. Keep your enthusiasm up and your helping nature. This will be really useful for the students. And before we conclude, just one more sentence. I believe that I heard that for many institutions and the students, you also provide some kind of an introductory session, which is free of cost, right? So that session also a student can register through this link, and you can help them getting some basic concept.
So for that, like if any kind of university or college want to organize any free session, so they can talk to me, or I can organize the same. That will be free webinar type session. That will be free webinar. So which will we will discuss the basic things about the solar, so that we can know about what is solar and how we can do the things. What are the things included? So that is a free session I definitely give to the students.
Thank you, Amyo. Thank you very much for joining us. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.